Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Ready to master smooth color blends for your Canva designs? Click the Create button, then enter Poster in the search box. Select the landscape orientation for your design. Next, navigate to the Elements tab. In the search bar, type Fruit Trees and press Enter to display fruit tree graphics you can add to your poster. Add the new element by selecting it from the toolbar, then dragging it onto your canvas. Position it where you want it to appear in your layout. Next, to add a background element, choose the background option from the sidebar. Select a color, image, or pattern, and apply it to your workspace to create visual separation for your content. Adjust the opacity or scaling if needed to fit your design preferences and project requirements. Add this element to use as your background. Simply drag it onto your canvas and position it to cover the entire area. Set the image as your background. If you want to change the color of individual fruits, click the Edit button. Next, select the fruit you want to modify. Click the Fill tool, then choose Magic Wrap. This feature allows you to easily edit and apply different colors to each fruit, helping you customize the image exactly how you want it. Select the specific element you want to modify by clicking on it. Once the element is selected, look for the Edit button in your toolbar and click it to open the editing options. Locate the color settings or color picker within the Edit menu. Choose your desired color from the available palette, or enter a hex code if you prefer a specific shade. After selecting your new color, apply the changes to update the element's appearance. Review your changes and make further adjustments if needed. Select the object labeled Gratis. Open the color settings, then choose green from the options. This change updates the object's appearance to green. As a result, the tree will now display a green apple, reflecting your new color selection for the item. To change the color of this tree, first, select the tree element. Use the duplicate function to create a copy. Next, merge the elements together by selecting both and pressing Ctrl plus G. This groups them, allowing you to apply a new color easily. Now, the tree becomes one editable image. If you select the wrong item, simply choose the correct one. Now, let's move the screen. Next, detach the three elements by clicking and dragging each one away from the group. This allows you to separate them individually. Just select each element and move it aside until all three are detached. Your workspace is now organized. Select the image you want to duplicate. Press Ctrl and D on your keyboard to create a copy. Repeat this for the next two images to have three duplicates. Now, select each one individually and change their colors so each image looks different. We want to end up with three images, each in a unique color scheme. To change the color, click on the color option you want and select it. If you'd like to adjust the layout, click and drag the element to the left. This will let you see how the new color looks in your design. Make any additional changes until you're satisfied with the result. When your design is ready, click the Share button at the top right of the screen. Choose the Download option from the menu. To increase quality, adjust the size or resolution options if available. Finally, click the Download button to save your design to your computer. The file will be ready for you to use. Now you know how to blend colors in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more design tips.